morning, Riza. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Pallardo. I'm 42 years old. I'm a single mother with one son, age of 16. I'm a college level taking up business administration. I have a work experience in Lebanon for 2 years, Abu Dhabi for 1 and 6 months, and in Malaysia for 10 years.
Okay, so you work for 3 countries
Yes.
for previous employees. So now you are applying for Hong Kong. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong? And how many years do you see working in Hong Kong?
Another place maybe to work, new environment, new people,
Okay.
and hopefully maybe more than 2 years if my future employer will allow me to continue to work for them.
Okay, so that's great. Okay, so for your past employers, can you share us what are your duties?
Mostly I clean the house, ironing the clothes, and cooking when I was in Malaysia.
Do you also took your kids or elderly?
I take care of, when I was in Abu Dhabi, I take care of a newborn baby, feeding her, taking her a bath.
Okay, newborn baby. So how about in Lebanon?
Just helping my madam in the kitchen, cleaning the house.
But there are also kids.
They all grown up.
Oh, okay, that's so in taking care of newborn, how do you handle it, and what are the important things that you need to do?
First of all, I have to be clean before I touch the baby, feeding her, cleaning all her bottles,
Okay.
possible in the clean environment.
Okay. So when the baby will cry, so what are the possible reasons?
Maybe she's wet, or she get hungry or dirty, like that.
Okay. So you also mentioned that you are cooking. I mean, you have experience cooking with
Yes.
your past employers. Okay. So what dishes you mostly cook?
Because my employer was Chinese Malaysian, so I learned how to cook Chinese, but since my kids, they like American food, so sometimes I combine.
Okay, Chinese and Western,
Yes.
like that. Okay, so in the way that you mentioned that, so you love cooking.
Yes.
Okay, you also love cooking. Okay, that's great. So example, we will give you a job offer that you need to share a room with the kids. Is it okay to you?
Yes.
No problem.
No problem.
How about if you have a co-helper?
What?
Co-helper. So you are 2 helpers in 1 employer. Is it okay?
Is it okay? I don't have a problem.
Oh, you don't have a problem. Okay, so lastly, can you promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, I will promise that.
Message for your future employer. Why? What are the characteristics that you have so they will decide to hire you?
I'm a hardworking, and I have a patient, and I'm kind.
Okay, thank you very much.